Hello dear students, 11th science today. Good morning all of you. How are you? Today we discuss some numerical problems based on equations of motion and gravity. The first question is, a stone is dropped from a cliff. What will be its speed if it falls down 10 meter? Speed u is equal to 0. V question mark falls down means h कितना है? This is 10 meter. So UVH which equation? V square is equal to U square plus 2GH. U0 here. So V square is equal to 2GH and V is equal to under root 2GH. On putting the values, G 9.8, this is 10 root 196 and this is 14 meter per second. This one, है ना? Is your first question. Come to the second one. A ball is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity 98 meter per second. Find maximum height. Height question mark. Upward motion is here. So this is U 98 meter per second at highest point V0. So V square is equal to U square minus 2GH. V0 U square minus 2GH. So H is equal to U square upon 2G. U 98 into 98 upon 2G is 9.8. So decimal cut, this is 49, so 490 meter. So height is 490, this one, and to which it rises, and total time to return to Earth's surface. We have to find out time also. It means V is equal to U minus GT, highest point V0, U minus GT. So T is equal to U upon G. U is 98, G is 9.8. So this is 10 seconds. But we have to find out the time to return. Means this 10 seconds and 10 seconds this, it means 20 seconds. So total time is 10 plus 10, that is 20 seconds. So this is your second one question. Because this question containing two parts, that's why I have showed this in two parts here. Now come to the question third. This third question is important for you. This has been asked many times in the examination and in competition also. This is important question. Here, a tower. You are looking here. A ball is allowed to fall from the top of the tower. This one. A tower here. This is 200 meter high. So this is tower line AB, and this is 200 meter high. A ball is allowed to fall from the top of the tower. A ball is falling like this, and at the same time, another ball is thrown vertically upward from the bottom of tower with a velocity 40 meter per second, and another ball is thrown like this. This is ball thrown vertically upward, and this ball falling like this. These two balls meet at this point. We have to find out at which distance and in which time these two balls will meet. Let this height h, and this becomes 200 minus h. It means we have to put two equations here, that is for upward motion and for downward motion. So this is 200 minus h ut plus half g t square. Initially u0 here, it means 200 minus h u0, that is half g, this is 9.8 t square, means 4.9 t square. So this is your first equation, 4.9 t square. Now this is your first. Again, we can apply the equation continuity for the forward motion. This is h is equal to u here, you are looking here 40 meter per second forward motion. So ut minus half g t square. So this is 40t minus 4.9 t square. This is your second equation. On adding first and second equation, 200 minus h plus h, this one. Now we are adding first plus second. So we get h cancel out, 200 is left. And here 4.9 t square, this one cancel out, this is 40t. So t is equal to 200 upon 40. This is 5 seconds. So time is 5 seconds here. It means these two balls will meet in the 5 seconds. If you want to find out the value of height, at which height these two balls will meet, we can put the value of this phi in any equation and we can find out the value of h, like 5 here and 5 here from equation second. So h is equal to 40 into 5 minus 4.9 into 5 square. You will get 77.5 meter. So this is the important question and you can solve like this. Dear student, you should make the practice of such type of questions. These are basic questions and study again also similar questions. Thank you dear students. All right.